Ma'am, what's your name?
I would like to ask Ritik a question.
Yes, hello, ma'am. Hi.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, Ritik.
Good
You are
evening to
looking charming as ever.
Sorry?
You are looking charming as ever.
I just wanted to hear it once more. Thank you.
Ritik, congratulations for endorsing this brand. What
you.
is any specific reason to endorse this brand? What made you to sign this brand? This one question. And second question, I would like to, what is your idea of comfort and rejuvenation?
My idea of comfort?
And rejuvenation, relaxation.
Yeah, okay. As I said, I like to partner with people who believe in excellence, who have a vision to do something that is in a way to contribute to the world in a better way, you know, to make our lives a little happier. I think, as I said in the making, I do that through my movies, and I believe that Nimish and his family and this company does that through their work. So that's, I think, something that appeals to me. Yeah.
Next question.
Oh, sorry, you had one more question.
No, next question from the next gentleman.
Okay.
Unless you want to go on.
We can keep the questions limited to the press, and we can take questions from there itself. Rohit, yeah.
You know, you need to up the feedback a bit because we can't hear each other. Yes? Any more questions? Can somebody give the gentleman a mic?
Yeah, catch. Oh,
Excuse me, Mr. Rohit. I have a question for Mr. Senior Arora Saab.
जी.
Can I have him on the stage?
जी, बिल्कुल.
Senior Arora Saab. Jogesh.
आइए.
अरोड़ा साहब, हाँ,
कहाँ पर हैं?
आपसे मेरा सवाल ये है कि आपने ज़िंदगी में इतना बढ़िया मकाम हासिल किया है. आपके राइट साइड में सरदार जी बैठे हों, राजेंद्र सिंह मकराना मैगजीन से. अरोड़ा साहब इधर, राइट हैंड साइड में. दिस साइड.
हाँ जी, और
आपने ज़िंदगी में इतना बढ़िया मकाम हासिल किया है. आज डीसी टैक्स के ज़रिए आप पहुँचे हैं यहाँ पर, यहाँ तक लेके आए हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो आपने शेर व शायरी में बड़ा अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखाया. हम चाहते हैं कि आप एक बुक लॉन्च करें, एक किताब लिखें जिसमें शेर व शायरी हो. और
उन्होंने बोला कि आप इतने शेर शायरी मार रहे हो तो आप कोई बुक लॉन्च करने वाले हो, क्योंकि होम फर्निशिंग की तो किताबें हम बना ही रहे हैं और सब जगह भेज रहे हैं सैम्पल बुक्स, तो ये पूछ रहे हैं.
आजकल जनरल बच्चों का ज़माना आ गया है, तो मैं चाहूँगा कि ये जो भी कुछ नीचे जो भी कुछ काम करना है वो मेरे बच्चों के थ्रू हो. दैट माई सिंसियर जो आशीर्वाद है वो मेरे बच्चों के लिए है, और उनको ही देख के मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी होगी अपने से ज़्यादा.
थैंक यू सर. या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर ऋतिक.
यस, ऋतिक जी एक बहुत बड़े एक्टर, एक दूसरी टेक्सटाइल के हैं. आप पिक्चरों में सब एक्टर से ऊपर बढ़ गए हैं. क्या इस टेक्सटाइल में भी उस एक्टर को मात देके डीसी टेक्स को सबसे ऊपर लेके जाएंगे?
देखिए, तालियां ऑलरेडी बज चुकी हैं, तो आई डोंट नीड टू आंसर दैट ओनली.
थैंक यू.
या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
सवाल आंसर इतना अच्छा था, क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया.
I think he's addressed most of it. No? It will be a repetition. Yeah.
Hi Ritik, this is Prerna.
Hi, Prerna.
Yeah, so I would want to talk about your film. So recently there are rumors that you've stepped out of Nikhil Advani's Bazaar. Is that true?
Can I just take this?
Do you believe in rumors is the question.
I want a confirmation from you. That is why
No,
I'm
it's
asking
not.
you.
It's not true. The beginning and the end, both were not true.
Just a request. I requested all the members of the press. We are here for a very special occasion. I'm sure you'll get Hrithik later when he addresses you. But let's stick to DC.
Here, left. From here.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
right, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah. Sorry.
Ritik, business is all about making relationship as such. In profession.
Business is all about making relationships.
Yeah, building relationship.
Your
I mean to
entire
say.
life is about that, yara.
So how far have you been successful in making relationship in personal and professional front as such?
Sorry, I didn't understand your question.
हमारे के लिए
Oh, I think, I got your question. I think the true success of a man really is how he is living in other people's hearts. So your relationships with every single person you meet, if you're not leaving back a part of you with the people in your life, in the journeys of growth, like we are here together, if I'm not going to leave a part of me with them here or with you, then I have lived half a life. So I think the true success of a man is about his relationships with everyone.
Hi, Ritik, over here. Yeah, hi. So Ritik, even you are even called the Greek god. So how does it feel to be called the Greek god? Already India में इतने सारे भगवान हैं, तो एक Greek god कहलाना कैसा लगता है? And the next, what it requires to be a Greek god?
So I landed in Greece one day. I was shooting for Bang Bang. So I landed in Greece और इतना वो Greek god मुझे मतलब I had heard. तो automatically I entered Greece with an expectation. कि भैया गॉड आ गया है अभी तो मतलब some reaction I should get. कुछ नहीं हुआ सर, सब धोखा है. ऐसा अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? मैं तो ग्रीक गॉड हूँ. ये रिएक्शन क्यों नहीं हो रहे? Just kidding. I think it's very humbling that I have been complimented in such magnificent ways, or it is only something that motivates me even further. I don't believe the people really think I'm a Greek god. Of course, they're not fools, they're not silly. But I think what comes across is जो मेरी मेहनत है, जो मेरे struggles हैं, जो hard work जो मैंने किया है, I think that reflects in all our eyes, each one of us, our experiences. And I think somewhere there is how I receive the compliment of being someone who is aspirational, because that's what I always want to be. I am still aspiring to be a better version of myself all the time. So I think that's the best way to answer that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ritik on your right. Ritik.
Last question, please. Last question,
Ritik
please.
sir on your right.
Stand up, na?
Yeah, on your right. Here. Hi, this is Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. My question to you, sir. My question to you, sir, कि अगर आपको एक मौका दिया जाए अपने अलावा आप कौन से एक एक्टर का घर सजाना चाहेंगे? कोई बॉलीवुड एक्टर का. Name one.
यार you got to speak a little slower. What is the question?
Okay.
और किसी और एक्टर का घर सजाना चाहेंगे?
किसी एक्टर का. Your friend. Name one.
यार अपना घर सजाते सजाते मैं थक गया हूँ. It takes so much time, man. किसी और एक्टर मतलब मेरे काम वाम नहीं है क्या?
But still अगर किसी को आप recommend करना चाहे, किसी का आप घर सजाना चाहे तो किसको?
बिल्कुल नहीं, अपने घर में खुश हूँ मैं.
Thank you very much. Thank you guys, and thank you all of you for spending such valuable time with us.